In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this daylight moon image in less than 5 minutes. Let's create a UV sphere. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's import an image. I'll share the link in the description below. Let's go to the front viewport and type R and Z to rotate the sphere on the Z axis. There is our moon. Let's add a point light. We need to completely turn off all the environment lights like this. If we render preview, we'll only see the darkness. Let's increase the point light strength. Let's work on the composition. I'll share the full node shortly. Let's use the Add mode, and change the RGB node's color to light blue. Here are the full nodes. I'll render preview, so we can see the image in the compositor. We need to turn off specular on the sphere. Let's render the scene. Looks like we need to correct the camera to face the front viewport. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.